Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker PHILIPS EverPlay from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your speaker. And at the third line we have a button what called Disconnect, and you need to tap on it to disconnect your speaker. But before I will tap on it, I tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect your speaker and tap at this button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with the speaker, but leave it at the device list. And when you select to unpair your speaker and click at the forget this device, you will totally remove your speaker from your phone. So if you want to totally remove it, you need to click at the forget this device. Now let's disconnect it, so I click on it, and right now I still have this speaker at the device list, but it disconnected from my phone. And I can easily reconnect the speaker by just tap on it if the speaker is turned on and do not connect it with another device. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!